massive. So I mean, this is snowstorm weather here. These are massive giant flakes, probably about 1 to 2 inches in diameter to begin with. And they're big, heavy, wet, and sloppy. Alright, so this is the second part of this video here. Now I am driving through Cottage Grove area, and what you're seeing is somewhere about 1 inch or 2 of slush ice, essentially. And as you can see, the few people that have traveled this road in the meantime haven't exactly kept a straight path. There have been no plows out yet, no salting, no sanding. I mean, it's May, why would there be? So I'm kind of blazing my own trail here, and this is honestly crazy. I mean, this is stuff you don't even see during the winter most of the time, let alone May 1st, May 2nd, you know? So yeah, it's kind of hectic. I mean, thankfully I love winter driving, so to me this is fun, but I'm honestly surprised I haven't seen more people or anyone in the ditch yet, and I specify yet. Anyway, time to get back to driving with both hands and feet and mind.